Hi, I'm Lou, my car story, and usually I have someone standing next to me as an owner of the car. I'm at RM Sotheby's auction and the owners are relatively non-existent, so I'm going to just do something a little creative and do some of Lou's picks, so hope you like this one. The 2005 Ford GT. This is always a favorite car. It just speaks for itself.
No, this guy's he specializes in Corvette.
The diffuser, the venting, the supercharged engine. The venting, the Ford GT. I don't know how well you can see in there.
Let's see what this one's worth.
I guess.
Hope you enjoyed it.